Hello YouTube, this is my first video and my first YouTube account, so I didn't know what to do for my first video, so my first video is going to be about how to clean a disc or fix a disc. As you can see, 50 scratches on it. Well, if you can see. So first thing you want to do, just hold it still, is just so you know I didn't change the disc, Model 2, because this keeps freezing on me and stuff. And I got this from another video that if this is what I'm copying them. So you just want to rinse it, just like that. Sorry, just hold it down so I can see. See, just rinse it. And you just want to rub it gently. This may not work for those discs that have a ring, you know, those rings. I have one of those on one of my ones, and I try to do this way, but it didn't work. So when you're finished rinsing it out, like that, you want to grab some soap. This is just the soap that we had. And you want to, just squirt it on. I'll say about 3 times, I reckon I've heard it. Only small drops like that. So hold it down again. There, just hold it. And then what you want to do is you just want to rub it like around your whole disc, mainly where your scratches are. So you just want to rub it everywhere. Like this. As you can see, like that, and it will clean it. And then, so you just want to rinse it. Sorry if you can hear the background. See, like that. Make sure you have to get all the soap off. Put it on here, like so they can see. And remember, my first video, I don't know what to do. I'll be doing some Call of Duty gameplay. But I play on Xbox, if you're wondering. So you just want to rinse it. So after this, you just want to grab a cloth or whatever you want, just soft cloth thing. You want to dry it. Just like that. Right there, guys. So as you can see, it looks much cleaner and clearer. If you can see properly. So thanks for watching. I'm not going to go yet. I am going to do a gameplay. So, sorry, I'm recording on the iPod, as you can see. It is way cleaner than before. Still model with here too. Like to add me. If you'd like to add me, my name is Maori. Maori. Maori Ninja1. Okay, so I'm gonna blank you out for a bit and turn my Xbox 360 on. Close the door. Okay. So, sorry, I'll be getting I want to be buying a new camera. Not record on the iPod. Can you come and hold this? Yeah. Like there. Steady. There. Steady. Sorry about the TV, guys. We have a clearer TV in this room. This is just an old TV. So, just sign into my account. As you can see, right there. As you can see, there is my name right there. There is my name. Maori Ninja1. Okay, come and hold it. Maori Ninja. Oh, who cares about the signing in bit? Because this is going to take... Oh, there we go. So here's my profile. Since I made like me a new account and stuff, so I would like you guys to add me. As you can see, I have only one friend. These are my old friends on my old account, but they haven't been online for the whole day. Just blaze for COD. So just add me, Maori Ninja1, capital MAOR space capital NINJAR then 1. And now I'm just going to put the disc in to prove that this goes. I also play Black Ops 2, but I need a gold membership. I don't have a membership because I cannot save money, and I bought myself a t-shirt, a drop back t-shirt. And if I want to play with you guys, so if anyone has a spare Xbox Live code, can you please send it to me, because you don't have to, I'm not forcing you to. Just need to go online, you know. As you can see, Modern Warfare 2 is now working. Start. As you can see, haven't played this before, but just want to do this full screen. Who cares about this stuff? And I will get another camera because this is just the iPod. You know, can't play multiplayer because I need a gold membership. As you can see, need a gold membership. So thanks guys for watching, and hope your scratch disc works, and please subscribe, like, and thank you.